Yes, dear students, today I am going to do question number 3 from exercise 9.4. Here in question number 3, we have to simplify. Now, part 1 of question number 3 is, we are given x square minus 5, then x plus 5, then plus 25. So we are given two binomials and then we have to add 25 also to the result. So first of all we will solve these two binomials. X square will be multiplied with both the terms of second binomial, then minus 5 will be multiplied with both the terms of second binomial, then plus 25, which is given in the question. So x square into x becomes x cube, x square into 5 becomes 5x square, then minus 5 into x become minus 5x, then minus 5 into plus 5 becomes minus 25, then plus 25. Now 25 and 25 both are with opposite sign, get cancelled. So we are left with x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. So this is our answer. Then moving to second part of this question, we have a square plus 5, then b cube plus 3, then plus 5. Now again first and second binomial will be multiplied. So a square will be multiplied with b cube plus 3, then plus 5 multiplied with b cube plus 3, then we have plus 5 in the question. So a square and b cube becomes a square b cube, then a square into 3 becomes 3a square, then 5 into b cube becomes plus 5b cube, 5 into 3 becomes plus 15 plus 5. So a square b cube, our answer is a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube. 15 plus 5 is 20. No term is like term, so we will leave the answer as it is. If we have any like terms in the expression, then we can add or subtract them. Now part 3 of this question, we have t plus s square, then t square minus s. Now here only two binomials are given which to be multiplied. So t will be multiplied first term of first binomial with second binomial, then plus s square with t square minus s. Now t into t square, 1 and 2, 3 power is 3, t cube. T into minus s is minus st, then plus s square t square becomes s square t square, then plus s square minus s, 1 and 2 power becomes 3 with minus sign. So no term is like term. So our answer is t cube minus st plus s square t square minus s cube. Now moving to fourth part of this question, we have, see here we are given three terms and in first two terms we have to multiply two binomials also. We are given a plus b, then c minus d plus a minus b, then c plus d, then plus 2ac plus bd. Now first two binomials will be multiplied, a with both the terms c minus d, then b with c minus d. Put square bracket here to avoid the confusion. Then plus, we have plus sign in next term. So plus a will be multiplied with c plus d. Here also we put square bracket. A into c plus d, then minus b into c plus d. Close bracket. Then next last term has only one number, that is 2 outside the bracket. So we can solve it directly. 2 into AC becomes 2AC and 2 into BD becomes plus 2BD. Now we will solve the bracket. A into C becomes AC. a into d, minus d becomes minus ad. Now we will open the bracket. When we will solve it, b into c becomes bc, b into minus d becomes minus bd, then a into c becomes ac, a into d becomes ad, then minus b into c becomes minus bc, and minus b into d becomes minus bd, then plus 2ac plus 2bd. Now what we are going to do now, we will write all the like terms together. So first of all, we are writing, first term is AC. Here also we have AC and here also 2AC. So all these terms with like terms will be written together, AC plus 2AC. Then we have minus BD. Here you can cancel minus BD, and we have, so no, here we will not cancel minus BD because we have one more BD, that is plus 2 BD also. So BD, the terms containing BD are minus BD, then minus BD, then plus 2 BD. We have one more term which is say like term. So next the terms which are left are terms containing AC we have written, BD we have written. Now we are left with the terms that is plus BC and minus BC, that you can cancel directly. Plus BC and minus BC will cancel directly. Then we are left with the terms C, BD and BD and BD. These three terms we have written. Now we are left with AD. Here also AD is plus and minus cancel. So we are left with only these terms. Now AC plus 2AC becomes 4AC. Minus BD becomes 2BD, minus 2BD, and here we have plus 2BD. Now these all will cancel like terms with opposite sign. So our answer is 4AC. We are left with answer 4AC. Now moving to fifth part of this question, we have x plus y, then 2x plus y, then next x plus 2y into x minus y. So solving the first two brackets, x will be multiplied with the second binomial, then y plus y will be multiplied with the second binomial, then put square bracket here, then next again put square bracket, x will be multiplied with x minus y, then plus 2y will be multiplied with the x minus y. So again put the square bracket close. Now we will solve the bracket, and the terms which are like terms, they will added or subtracted. Yes students, now we will solve the bracket. X into 2x becomes 2x square, then x into y becomes plus xy, then plus y into 2x becomes 2xy, or yx, you can write it as xy, then plus y square. We have solved the first square bracket. Then solving the next, we have x into x becomes x square, then x into minus y becomes minus xy, then plus 2y into x becomes 2xy, then 2y into minus y becomes minus 2y square. Now we will add or subtract the like terms. Now see here, xy and xy both are like terms with opposite sign, they will get cancelled. Now we will write the like terms together, 2x square and plus x square, then y square minus 2y square, then plus 2xy and plus 2xy. Now it becomes 2x square and x square becomes 3x square, then minus 2y square plus y square becomes minus y square, 2xy and 2xy becomes plus 4xy. So we got our answer as 3x square minus y square plus 4xy. Now moving to fifth part of this question. Moving to, this is our third, fourth, fifth, sixth part. We are moving to sixth part of our question. See, here we are given x plus y here we are given in the sixth part, we are given x plus y, then x square minus xy plus y square. Now again we will multiply the first term of first binomial. This is trinomial. It has 3 terms. So all the terms will be multiplied with the x. Then plus y with all the terms of this trinomial. Trinomial means the expression containing, algebraic expression containing 3 terms. So we will solve it. X into x square becomes x cube. Then minus x into minus xy becomes x square y. X into y square becomes x y square. Then y into x square. See, y into x square becomes x square y. Then y into minus xy becomes minus xy square. Then y into y square becomes plus y cube. Now you can see we have the like terms. X square y and x square y cancels. Xy square and xy square cancel. We are left with x cube plus y cube. This is our answer. Now moving to seventh part of this question, we have 1.5x minus 4y, then 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, and then minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now again 1.5x will be multiplied, 1.5x will be multiplied with all the terms of this trinomial. So 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, then minus 4y, second term of first binomial with all the terms of this trinomial, 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, and then we have minus 4.5x plus 12y. On solving the bracket, 1.5x into 1.5x becomes 2.25x square. Then 1.5x into 4 becomes 6.0. We will not write 6.0, simply we will write 6. So it becomes 6xy. Then 1.5 into x into 3 becomes 4.5x. Then minus 4y into 1.5x, again it is 6.0 with minus sign. So we will write only minus 6, not 6.0, because 6.0 is 6. Yx or xy is same, so we will write xy. Minus 4y in plus 4y minus 16y square. Then minus 4y into 3 minus 12y. Then minus 4.5x plus 12y. See, minus 12y and plus 4y, 12y, both the terms are having opposite sign, so they get cancelled. Same 4.5x and minus 4.5x. Then 6xy and minus 6xy. So we are left with only two terms, that is 2.25x square minus 16y square. This is our answer, 2.25x square minus 16y square. Now last part of this question, 8, is a plus b plus c, then a plus b minus c. So first term of first trinomial, it will be multiplied with all the terms of second trinomial. Then plus b, second term of first trinomial, all the terms of second trinomial. Then third term plus c with all the terms of second trinomial. On solving, a into a becomes a square, then plus ab minus ac, then ab, we will not write ba, it is ab because here also we have the same like term. Then b into b becomes b square, then minus bc, then ca, you can write ca as ac, then c into b becomes bc, and c into minus c become minus c square. Now here some terms which are like terms, they will get cancelled. See, AC and minus AC get cancelled. Then BC and minus BC also get cancelled. We are left with A square, B square plus B square, then minus C square. And these two terms, AB and AB plus AB plus AB. So our answer is A square, B square minus C square. AB plus AB becomes plus 2AB. Now with this part, question number 3 of exercise 9.4 and exercise 9.4 is completed. In next exercise, in next video, we will start exercise 9.5, which is based on algebraic identities.